Dr. Hoey and the kettlebell swing changed my life. I have watched many videos of the kettlebell swing and none of them compare to his. Let's learn from the best.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Glenn Hoey. I'm a naturopathic physician and I'm also a kettlebell aficionado. And today I am going to demonstrate the proper technique of the kettlebell swing. The kettlebell swing is an amazing exercise, and those of you who learn how to do this well will reward yourself with so many different athletic benefits, whether you're a professional or you're just a fitness enthusiast. But the very first thing you want to do before you start training with the kettlebell is observe some safety points here. First and foremost, make certain that you have a space that is free of debris, free of children, pets, things like that that could get in your way. A kettlebell swing is a very dynamic exercise and it's very difficult to stop mid-repetition. You could hurt yourself, you could hurt somebody else. Swinging a kettlebell into a 4-year-old's head would not be a good idea. So make certain that your space is free of clutter. You don't want to step on anything. You basically want to be stabilized and ready to do this exercise. Because figure you're going to go to battle here. This is the kind of exercise that requires mental and physical determination and focus. The other points I want to make is before you start, be ready to swing a kettlebell safely. Now we're going to adjust, talk about footwear. I wear a very flat shoe, a wrestling shoe, because I prefer something on my foot, but you can train barefoot, you can train in socks. And the reason why is you want to be very, very stable. Kettlebell swinging is a very powerful and very explosive movement. So the more stable you are, the better you're able to prepare yourself to keep from injuring your back, injuring your shoulder, in case there's a sudden movement. Save those cushy running shoes for the times that you run. Now that we have covered the preliminary points, making certain you have a space that is safe for yourself, for your family, if you have such, and you're ready to do this yourself, we're going to move on and I'm going to demonstrate the kettlebell swing. After I do the swing here, I will come back then and highlight the important points of what you want to do in doing the swing. Without further ado, the kettlebell swing. Watch. From the side. Now that I have shown you the proper technique, let me explain it and break it down point to point so that you understand what you want to do. Number one, feet flat on the floor here. Number two, get yourself prepared, push your hips back, just like this. You're going to go to battle here, understand that the kettlebell has no respect for you whatsoever. So be ready to tame it. Number three, you're going to hinge from the hips. This is a hip hinging movement, just like this. This is not a squatting movement. This is a hip hinge. You develop your power from this. Number three, arms relaxed. Arms relaxed, holding on to the kettlebell loosely, but enough so that you hold on to it. Let your arms go with the ride here. Load and explode. Let the arms come all the way back through your legs. Load those hamstrings and glutes, and then fire. Fire. We call it load and explode. Load, explode. Load, explode. I'll show you from the side. Same thing. Load, explode. Load, explode. Load, explode. Now that I have not only demonstrated the kettlebell swing to you, but explained the salient points, I want to then tell you that you can progress beyond a two-hand kettlebell swing into variations like a one-handed kettlebell swing, what we call the kettlebell clean, the kettlebell snatch, the kettlebell high pull. All of these are variations on a kettlebell swing, but they all require the same fundamental action from the hips, the stance, the arms, and let me demonstrate that for you. The two-hand swing. One-hand swing. This is great for guys who've got big chests, very difficult sometimes to handle a kettlebell with two hands. The one-hand kettlebell swing. The clean. This is a kettlebell clean. Show it both sides. Pull it up and park it. The kettlebell snatch. Up, very powerful movement. Great movement. Kettlebell high pull. As you can see, I'm starting to catch my breath here, but I can tell you right now that when you master the kettlebell swing, you can progress beyond that and have many different variations of kettlebell ballistic training. Enjoy the pain.
I believe progressive resistance training may be one of the most important exercises to perform. If you have limited space and only one tool, one kettlebell is all you need to achieve amazing results.